about 1 o'clock now.
I'm ahead of the third one.
Okay, can you just widen it out slightly to the left there for me? Follow the second one now with the wigwag. Cub over the numbers there, slide all the way down. Power, 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 slide all the way down to the pink dot for me. First low wing, that short final wants to slide all the way down to the yellow dot, all the way down to the yellow dot. Tail dragger turning final, can you follow the forward for me here, head to your right? Back to me.
Follow forward, 26 right.
Down 36 left.
Good.
Second corner right side, 36 left, 36 left forward.
Yeah, so go around. Let's go ahead and have a fly 36 right. Let's do another right turn on your back ground. Forward over, fly 36 right. Right down, midfield to right driver. Big force.
My Cessna that was following the Ford, I want you to aim right for the numbers there. Traffic turning final about a mile out. You see into the highway here?
Got it. Okay, my tail driver that went around, go ahead and land 36 right. Land 36 right, just put it down on the red dot, red square, and then you're going to have to pass it down. Put it down on the red square, go 36 right. Okay, my high wing approaching the numbers. Slide all the way down past the yellow dot, please. Okay, my go around low wing, serious, make a right turn, you can re-enter the down one. My high wing over the green square, you're doing a great job. Go ahead and touch it down at the red square, and then your side seat, you're going to have traffic down here, but under square, you're just going to have to follow him, and they can clean it up a little bit. High wing approaching the numbers, slide all the way down after the yellow dot, please. Down to the yellow dot.
And big Ford 36 right is clear now, clear to land runway 36 right at the red square.
Clear to land, 36 right, big Ford, yo.
Yellow tail dragger over the interstate, starts to descent. And the tail dragger on 36 right, just continue all the way to the end, follow that aircraft that's under tow there that left off at the end. Just taxi, pass all the way to the end. Good. The short final, take it all the way down past the yellow corner, thank you.
And big Ford, clear to land, 36 right, yes.
Affirmative. Right. On the right down one, follow the big Ford runway 36 right, clear to land.
Down there, coming down, going down.
Highway and turning final all the way to yellow dot, please.
Yellow dot.
Fly plane, keep it in one, past the, keep it in one for the yellow dot. Low wing face to final, clear to land, follow the tail dragger. High wing cushion short final all the way down to the yellow dot. Keep everyone all the way down to the yellow dot.
Okay, the low wing short final, do not descend anymore. Just maintain your altitude, fly it down the runway. I got 3 faster behind you. Fly it down the runway, you can go all the way to the pink dot.
RV side, clear to land on the purple dot.
Don't land. Powered up, maintain your altitude, fly it all the way down to the pink dot. Fly plane, if you can, go ahead and put it down on the yellow dot. Low wing short final, you're putting it on the purple dot. Big Ford, great job, sir, and you know your way back over there. Are you going to be going out every, on this frequency, correct?
We can depart on departure frequency.
Okay, resource, just let me know what you need, and we'll work it out.
Right. Fly plane, set it down there, that's good. Fly plane. Put it down. Fly plane at KCTN, make that next card service, we're in the show. And the blue and white low wing Roger, to continue all the way down. Power, 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 all the way down to the yellow dot for me there. Just continue taxi. Okay, left at the next car surface for the blue and white RV. Traffic for the final fly all the way down past the yellow dot. All the way down past the yellow dot for me, please. High wing on the left base, following low wing on the straight in. Cirrus, just proceed all the way to the end, and they'll get you off at the end there on 365. That's power, dual, holding on to the full put it on the line. I think we're taking 11.
Oh, 36 left for the RV turning final.
RV turning final, want to, okay, let's take a go to the right side. Go to the right side, runway 36 right, clear to land on the red square.
Red square.
Wing over the interstate, right your wing. Good rock, start your descent. Wing to start the descent, runway 36 right, clear to land, yellow dot. RV type over the interstate right to wing. RV type, good rock, runway 36 left, clear to land, yellow dot. Low wing following the RV over the interstate right to wing. The yellow RV there, clear to land, just take it to the purple dot there. I may have to bring it down further once this wing gets past the yellow. Blue RV, nice job. Left turn there, top 2, welcome to the show. Thank you. RV turn to base to final, runway 36 left, clear to land. 100 tires over, base to runway 36 left, follow the RV. I'll make it go around. I got his wake. That's little forward seaplane base inbound. 6 forward, Roger, at a right base to 36 right. That's little forward, right base 36 right. Little forward, Roger. Okay, I got the low wing there, split final with your side step over to runway 36 right, 36 right, clear to land on the red square. My going on all here is to jump back to the shop. You can have a couple of times out there. So they're going to be about 11 o'clock, mile and a half, opposite direction. A little bit, that'll be fine to get on top of them. Plan to follow forward out there for runway 36 right. 36 right. And the tail dragger there, that's side step to following the RV. Go ahead and side step right there to runway 36 right, clear to land on the red square, roll all the way to the end. Nice job. Tail dragger turning final for runway 36 left, clear to land past the yellow dot for me. There's another step up there, high wing, turning inbound anglers to 36 up. Side step over there to the right side, runway 36 left, clear to land on the red square. Over there, runway 36 right, continue all the way down to the end, keep behind 2 sides, get 4 meters past the blue dot, back to 5. Detail bonanza left base, clear to land runway 36 left. High wing split final, just give me power, continue all the way down to the yellow dot, clear to land. RV on the downwind, start to descent, follow the little forward. Turn on forward. Little forward, clear to land, runway 36 right. Full forward. That's how it wakes up on all the way down the runway. Just continue down. You can fly down that long. Step to go ahead and put it down. Step to down. Or you can take down the yellow dot. Go ahead and put it down. Flight jet for right from Port the Island. I need the step that just landed past the yellow.
go around no wing. I need you to make the right turn, go northbound, go northbound. Don't turn left, don't turn left, go around no wing. Don't turn left, go make the right turn on the top, go northbound, I'll give you a turn here.